In this video, I will show you how to set up Crypto.com. Open the DeFi Wallet app on your mobile phone. Enter your 6-digit passcode. You can also use the Face ID option to open it. It will open the app here. Tap on Wallet 1 settings shown on the top of the screen. Different options will be provided here. Tap on the option Enter Two-Factor Authentication. Please use the Authenticator app to scan the QR code or copy the code to add it manually. Scan the QR code shown here. Open the Authenticator app by using your Face ID. Click on the plus icon shown here. You can either scan the QR code or choose the other authentication method. Here, I've chosen another method. It will ask about your service. Type Crypto.com here. Add your account email, key, and backup codes. Include in widgets. Choose the algorithm, digits, and interval. After that, finish the setup. In the DeFi Wallet app, enter the code shown after setting up. This is how you've set up Crypto.com. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.